My name is May, and I am a local realtor in Milwaukee. As a realtor, not only am I committed to helping you find a place to call home, but I'm also invested in helping everyone to live in a thriving community. Our real estate market, just like any other, is influenced by the decisions and policies made by our elected officials. The choices we make at the ballot box directly impact our quality of life and the value of our homes. By voting for candidates who prioritize the importance of balanced development, fiscal responsibility, well-maintained roads, and public services, you will ensure your neighborhood maintains desirability. Another important topic to consider is the quality of schools in your area. Voting for candidates who support strong education initiatives can help create a brighter future for our children. Our elected officials often make decisions which can directly impact local businesses and job creation. These items are essential for a thriving community. I urge you to research the candidates and issues of importance for yourself, as understanding each candidate's stance will help you make informed decisions. If you're not registered to vote yet, please make sure to do so because your vote matters. Help spread the word about the importance of voting to your friends, family, and neighbors. Whether you're concerned about property taxes, infrastructure, or economic issues, your vote can make a difference. It's a chance to hold elected officials accountable and ensure that they are working in the best interests of our community and country. Together, we can create a brighter, more prosperous future for everyone.